Well, let me just say this. Anyone who is selected to lead our school district is, in my opinion, a very lucky person. We have a wonderful school district full of amazing staff and students, a great board of education, and I look forward to welcoming Mr. Carter and providing assistance to him over the upcoming months.
What kind of things do you hope? I wasn't here for like his interviews and such, but what are things that he is planning on working to when he starts his position?
And I can't answer that because those are conversations that I'm sure will happen in the very near future. An entry plan, different things like that. But I'm sure he has some of his own ideas.
What stood out to you?
I think both candidates were very personable and committed to Sullivan County Schools. Mr. Carter was kind, very gracious, and seemed to be very interested and had certainly a desire to lead our school district.
And I saw that he's worked for the state. So is he from this area? Is that why he decided to come back?
He is actually originally from Hamlin County and still hails from that area. He does work for the State Department of Education. He leads the CTE world there as one of their leaders. So yes, I think he was looking to get back in a school district.
Is your plan still to serve until the end of June if everything works out that's...
If everything works out, yes. Yes.
I guess a fun one, like impending, there's going to be more free time in your life. Like, do you have any plans, or are you...
Yes, my plans moving forward is I have two precious grandchildren that I would like to spend some time with while they're still little. And certainly my husband is retired, so being with him and having that free time. So yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Thank you.